Introducing the Powerbuilt 4-piece ratcheting tie-down strap set, built for securing heavy-duty loads with confidence. This system works differently than traditional 2-piece ratchet straps. It uses a single continuous strap with a sliding ratchet. Here we have a comparison of the new sliding ratchet versus a traditional 2-piece ratchet. Side by side, there is a visual difference. Pro tip, the placement of the strap is crucial. You can move it into a safe position where it won't bounce around during the transport. Now that you're getting a bit more acquainted, let's get started. Unroll the strap completely and lay it flat, checking for no twists, frays, or damage. Ensure both hooks are aligned and ready for use. A clean, untwisted strap ensures proper tensioning and secure tie-down performance. Lay the strap over your load and keep it centered and flat. Once secured to an anchor point, you're now ready to pull the slack out. Now pull the underside of the strap and keep unrolling to the desired length. Once you have unrolled the strap, now it's time to secure it to an anchor point. Once secured to an anchor point, you're now ready to pull the slack out. After you position the ratchet in a location of your choice, start by sliding the ratchet in any position you like. You can choose to slide the ratchet up and just start to pump the handle, like you normally would do with a traditional ratchet. This new sliding ratchet changes the game completely. What if your load requires you to move it into the top position? Well, just slide it up and pump the ratchet away until it's tight and snug. Pro tip, transporting something of value, like an e-bike. Well, this sliding strap is perfect for protecting your bike from getting dings, dents, or surface scratches, just by sliding the ratchet into a more safe position. To loosen the sliding strap, just squeeze the release lever and open the handle all the way and pull it off anchor points. It is that easy with the Powerbuilt ratchet with sliding handle. Powerbuilt tie downs, strength, control, confidence.